Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to check TikTok saved videos, and all you have to do is to launch the TikTok application. And then while you're here and let's say you've seen this type of a video after scrolling down for some time, you can either tap on this icon that is here. Once you tap on your profile, and then you decide to head on over to this icon, you're going to be able to see the video that you've saved. And as you can see, this is the video that I have saved. It will be located here. Most of the videos do have an option to download it. Once you tap on this icon that is here for share, you're going to see an option to save a video, which is going to be located here. And once you tap on it and it has finished downloading, you're going to be able to view it on your gallery, and you can see we're waiting for it to finish downloading. So once it has finished downloading, you can just go to our gallery, and once we're here at our gallery, you're going to be able to see it here. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.